The topics in this section cover ways of programming the Magento catalog. We're going to start off by customizing our own product type in Magento. Let's get started. Before I show you how to create your own custom product type, let's first take a look at a couple of examples in the Magento core. If you navigate to the Mage Core Catalog module and take a look at the etc config.xml file, at around line 470 you'll see where this module is adding the default product types to Magento. So we're in the global XML section here, and this module is adding a catalog tag with the different product types defined in here. You can see the simple product type, the grouped, configurable, and virtual product types as well. The different parameters in here dictate kind of the functionality of each of these product types. So you can see the simple product type, all it's doing is specifying a product type model. This is kind of like the minimum bar required to create a new product type. You can see configurable and grouped product types also have custom indexers and custom price models. So you can override more functionality than just the simple product type model. Another example we can look at is the downloadable. In downloadable, their config file is also loading a product type around line 150. And you can see it's loading a downloadable product, but then we also have a few extra tags here. So what this is doing is basically saying a downloadable product can be part of a configurable product or a grouped product. This is something important to remember when you're creating your own custom product types, because at some point somebody might want to bundle or use your product as part of a configurable product. Let's take a look at how we would do this in our own module. Let's go back to our example module, and this is the same code I've been using from the last section. We're going to build on our event models and make a event registration type of product. So I already have the code in my config.xml file just commented out, so I'm going to uncomment that now. Let me show you what we've done. Basically, we've created an event product type and specified a product type model. We haven't specified any pricing model because we can inherit from the core model for pricing. You can also see that I'm going to be able to group or configure or bundle these product types. So let me save this. Alright, so one thing we need to do before loading the Magento admin is create the product type model. And I have that here in model product type event.php. And for now, all we're going to do is extend from the abstract class for product types. And later on, we will be adding different functions to this class to do different things. Alright, let's take a look at the Magento backend. To test that our product was created successfully, we're going to go to Manage Products and click on the Add Product button. And now we should see in this drop-down list of product types our custom one. And here it is, Event Registration. So everything seems to work fine. One thing that doesn't work yet is the attributes. You can see it didn't bring any of the prices over. And that's something we'll have to go over in another video. But for now, this is the basic way to create a new custom product type. To recap, we followed two steps to set up our custom product type. We first had to add the catalog section to our config.xml file, and we looked at examples in the Mage catalog and Mage downloadable modules. Then we had to create what's called a product type model, and this model needs to extend from the Mage catalog model product type abstract class. Coming up next, I'm going to show you how you can add custom product attributes to your product type, so stay tuned.